Hello, welcome to all. Today we see the database part 2. Before that, in last week I give one Google form test. Only so far this day 21 students can have complete the test. Before you see this lesson, my kind advice is to complete the Google form test. Okay, now proceed. This week we see the database chapter 3 introduction to database management system part 2. In the last week the same lesson introduction to database management system part 1 should be given. In this session we see the introduction to database management system lesson part 2 in your book page 61 to 82. Okay, go through it. What is RDBMS? It's a 2 more question to you. RDBMS means a relational database management system. Simply we say RDBMS is the most popular database operating nowadays. In our practical session we follow MySQL. It's a software. Example for RDBMS are first one MySQL, second one Oracle. It is the relational database management system software applied today. Very familiar one is MySQL. Okay. Then in this lesson the learning objects are first one RDBMS Jordan, ER model, ER diagram, introduction to MySQL, MySQL administration, MySQL open source software tools designing database. We learn in our practical session. Okay, here we now I give importance to the first 3 topic RDBMS Jordan, ERL model, ERL diagram. Once again MySQL I say later. Okay. Then what is the feature of RDBMS? It's a 3 more question to you. Elaborately you learn in your book. I simply briefly say. First feature is high availability. Second one high performance. Third one robust transaction and support. Fourth one easy of management. Fifth one less cost. Very simple example is if you see the 11th standard public examination mark. The software they applied is RDBMS. It's an example to you. Okay, just to go through the lesson. And then what is table? It's a 3 more question to you. Simply ask what is table. In relational database model, table is defined as the collection of data organized in terms of row and column. What is row? What is column? In this example table structure 1, 2, 3 is the row. The column is ID, name, age, salary. Once again I repeat. In relational database model, table is defined as the collection of data organized in terms of row and column. The combination of simply row and column, the combination is called as table. Here in our example, here heading as one row, 1, 2, 3 is the here in this example the table 3.1 4 rows can be given and then 4 columns can be given. The column name is ID, name, age and salary. Okay. Then what is column? In the previous example you see ID, name, age, salary is a column. The table can be divided into smaller parts in terms of column. Example, the column is known as attribute. The another name for the column is attribute and then row. In the example you see in the previous example row 1 Alex 26 22,000 or ID, name, age, salary is the row. A single entry in a table is called as row or record or tuple. 3 names can be given. Very simple one. A single entry we say as row or record or tuple. Okay. Then what is primary key? So 3 more question to you. In RDBMS, primary key is an important feature. What is primary key? The candidate key that is chosen to perform the identification task is called the primary key. Unique value. For example, if you see the mark, public examination mark, just you give the primary, we set as primary key as examination number. It's a primary key. Okay. The next one, ER model. The ER model to know the concept of database design. If you create a database, the ER model it should be must. The ER modeling basic concept are: first one entity or entity type, second one attribute, third one relationship. You go through the book thoroughly. Then what is entity or entity type? It's a 3 mark question to you. An entity can be anything, a real world object or animation which is easily identifiable by anyone, even by a common man. A common man can, in a real life, we see some animation. So the animation in the real world object or animation which is easily identified by anyone, even by a common man, we call as entity. So the entity types are strong entity, weak entity, entity instant. It should be elaborately given. You have to go through it. And then entity instant. What is entity instant? It's a 3 mark question to you. Entity instant means instant or the value for the entity. If we considered animal as the entity, their instant will be dog, category cow. For example, animal is the category. The animal may be dog or cat or cow, etc. So an entity instant denotes the category value for the given entity. What is the category value? For example, entity instant human category or male or female. Animal category in our example dog, cat, icon. Okay. Then what is attribute? It's a 2 more question. Attribute means an attribute is the information about the entity and it will describe quantity, qualify, classify and specify an entity. It's an attribute. In our example, you see human is the entity. The attribute are male or female. Okay. Then type of attribute. 5 types of the attribute are given: key, simple, composite, single valued, multiple value. You just go through the lesson thoroughly. And then key attribute. What is key attribute? Generally, a key attribute describes a unique characteristics of an entity. If you see the unique characteristic in the example, simple attribute employee is a unique attribute. We simply say as employee name, first name and last name. Simply first name is your name, last name is your father name. Once again I repeat, in the simple attribute, the key attribute is employee name, first name and last name. Then what is composite attribute? A composite attribute can be subdivided into simple attribute without change in the meaning of that attribute. Without changing in the meaning of the attribute, we simply say as it is called as composite attribute. Okay, the next one is a 3 more question to you. Important 3 more question. Define single valued attribute. What is single valued attribute? A single valued attribute contain only one value for the attribute and they do not have multiple number of values. Only one value. In the example, for example, age. You see the age. In my example, age is 3. It's only one attribute. Roll number 85 is an example to you. Okay. If a single value for the person, as we cannot give n number of ages for a single person, therefore it is a single value attribute. You specify the value. In the example, single value attribute example, 2 example can be given. Age. If you say the attribute as age, the value is 3 is a single one. Another example, attribute roll number the value is 85 or simply your examination number like this. Okay. Then the single valued attribute person date of birth. So another example to you. And the next one, what is multi-valued attribute? It's a 3-mark question. A multi-valued attribute has more than one value for that particular attribute. For example, degree. A person can hold n number of degrees so that it is the multi-valued attribute. For example, if you now you are studying in plus 2, after plus 2 you complete first degree as BCom or BBA, second degree as MBA or MCom, like this. So it is the multiple number of degree, more than one. So we simply call it as multi-valued attribute. Okay. The next one, relationship type. What is relationship type? In ER model, relationship exists between two entities. 3 type of relationship are available on the entity relationship diagram. ER diagram is based on the 3 type listed below. Normally 2 entities. What are the 2 entities? In the previous example you see 2 entities, attribute value we simply call as 2 entities. Here once again we define the 2 entities. Here the 3 type of the relationship are available in the ER, simply called as ER means entity relationship. What are the 3? What are they? 1 to 1 relationship, 1 to many, many to many relationship. For a time concept, I simply give the heading only. You go through the topic 1 to 1, 1 to many to many, refer in your book. Okay. The next one, degree of relationship. Normally the degree of relationship has 3 relationship we follow. First one, 1, 2, 3. 1 means binary, single. 2, binary. You learn binary number 0, 1, simply called as 2 number we say binary. Ternary means 3. So the number of entity type involved is known as degree as relationship. The relationship will be 1 or 2 or 3, any one. Okay. Then cardinality. What is cardinality? So 2 more question to you. It is defined as the number of items that must be included in a relationship. First cardinality 1 to 1. For example, if you drive a car, the driving person, car driver, vehicle, any type. So it's an example to you, 1 to 1 cardinality. Once again, if you drive a car, driver is a person, vehicle is the object. The next one, 1 to many relationship the same. Customer, place, order. Customer means what? You are the customer. Place, in which place? You purchase the order, you buy the order, you take the order. You know very well, you are the commerce students, you know very well, customer, order, anything. And then many to many relationship, it means if you do one course, after plus 2 you do one course, just registered your course, you are the student name can be given, and then what course you have to select it. For example, BCom or BBA, whatever it is the many to many relationship. It's an example to you. 1 to many means customer, place, order. Many to many relationship means register, student, course. Okay, then next one, ER diagram. What is ER diagram? What is the meaning of ER? ER means entity relationship. We simply call it as ER, entity relationship diagram. We simply say as ER diagram. Okay. The entity relationship diagram present data visually on how they are related to each other. 1 to 1 relations can be given. You see the 3 relationship. What are they? 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to many. Like this, how they are related to each other. Elaborately, you see the ER diagram notification. It is the 5-mark question. I will explain briefly. Note it down. First one, ER component. The ER component means strong, weak relationship between entities, attribute, key attribute for entity, derived attribute for entity, multi-valued attribute quantity. The description, how it is represented. For example, if you give strong, simple rectangular box, notification student. Then weak, double rectangle box. Relationship, strong is a diamond box. Entities, within rhombus weak, it means 2 diamond box. Attribute, ellipse. ellipse symbol connected to the entity. For example, the ellipse symbol here we say age, and then student in strong, and then key attribute for entity, underline the attribute name inside the, if you underline the object, we simply say as key attribute, and then derived attribute for the entity, dotted ellipse inside the main ellipse. If you find derived attribute, it should be dotted rectangle. And the last one, multi-valued attribute for entity, double ellipse. Okay. Then in the last session, MySQL we see in practical session. Okay. Once again, I say today we have the Zoom class at 3 p.m. Just for your information, for this your mobile you install Zoom app for meeting, and Classroom, Google Classroom for assignment. Okay, thank you.